Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by giving Messenger permission to use your mobile connection. First, turn on mobile data and confirm you have LTE or 5G. Next, open app settings and allow Messenger background data and cellular access so photos can download. Also check system low data mode and disable it, otherwise the OS blocks large transfers. Once done, quit Messenger fully and relaunch the app so it picks up the new permissions and prepares to stream image files over your data plan. Now fine-tune Messenger and the network so images actually download. Go to Messenger settings and enable media auto-download for mobile data or enable photos explicitly. This tells the app to fetch images automatically. Make sure the app is updated, then clear its cache if previously failed downloads are stuck. If you use a VPN, proxy, or firewall app, disable it briefly because those can block media. Once these settings are set, retry loading a photo. Messenger should begin streaming or downloading the image. Finish by restarting your device so all network and permission changes take effect. Open Messenger and try viewing multiple photos to confirm success. If images still won't load, check that you have sufficient local storage. Low storage can prevent downloads. Reset network settings if the connection seems unstable. If nothing helps, uninstall and reinstall Messenger. Then re-enable mobile data permission. That single per app toggle often restores photo downloads after reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.